Okay, hi, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be an unboxing. I finally got a new pair of sneakers. Shout out to my son Travis, who got me hooked up. I can't get it out. Don't make me laugh. Ah! This is my first pair of official Jordans. I've been wanting them for so long. Yes. Yes. It comes with two pair of laces. You got the pink top and the pink back. Blue swoosh. Yes. Yes. Nice. Nice. Shout out to Travis. I can't wait to style them. Yeah, I'm gonna style them. Can't wait to style them and wear them. These is dope. For real, these is dope. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. You'll be seeing these in a lot of my future videos. Okay, this was my unboxing. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.